Hello, bonjour! I will teach you how to do a date syrup, I call it. It's the same texture as honey, yacon, a little bit. It could be molasses, it depends how thick you make it. But first I will show you how to pit a date, because you can have surprises in there, which I will show you later. So let's take, it's called the flower. We'll take the flower out. So you cut like this, turn, take out the pit, and then look. So cut, turn, take out the pit, and then look. Because you can have surprises in there, which I will show you in a moment. But first let me show you how to do the date syrup. And here, I use dates quite a bit. I sweeten only with dates. So I have my whole container here full of dates. So the key is that you must cover your blade in your blender. The good thing is that I have a little blender here, so I don't have to do that much. So I'll go up to 100 gram, 100 gram, and then I'll put 100 gram of water. So like I was saying, if you want it thicker, then you put less water. Like a yacon texture, let's say. And then we blend. And there you are, as simple as that. That date syrup, you keep it in your fridge up to 2 weeks. Or you can put it in your freezer, keep some, put the rest in your freezer. Because remember, the key is that you have to cover the blades of your blender. So depending on your blender jar, if your blender isn't as strong as mine is a Blendtec. If it isn't as strong, then you simply put the dates in the water the night before. And there you are, you have that lovely date syrup. So here you can see inside the date you have the black mold, which is it's terrible. Don't eat that, of course. And that's why you have to be very careful when you come across this, and to discard the date and clean your knife and continue pitting other dates. So here it's a little bit trickier because you really have to observe carefully. Can you see? I'm gonna point with my knife here. Can you see the little spot there? This one and this one? Those are little bugs, little eggs that a bug left in there. So you don't want to eat that either. So you have to be careful to pick those out if you like, or discard the date. So you might have heard, and it's said, you know, just about anywhere I listen to right now, how processed sugar is, first of all, devoid of nutrients, and second of all, it's really not good for you, for your health. Ideally, you always go back to whole foods, the entire food. So stevia is another option that I'm not familiar with. I could not help you with that. I use dates all the time. But it's really important that you use whole food as a sweetener. Not even those little packets, that's also bad news. So don't use those. Love food that loves you back.